So I said in my newsletter that today I would talk about one of the new colors. So here is the In Colors. So the In Color collection is kind of unique with Stampin' Up. What they do is every 2 years, they bring in 5 new colors. So for example, the 2024-2026 color collection, which I was mistaken last week or the week before, is continuing to 2026. Yay, because I love all these colors. And then the 2025-2027 starts this year, and these are the colors. So they're Cloud Cover, Darling Duckling, Secret Sea, Strawberry Slush, and Timid Tiger. Now of those, Strawberry Slush, which is this one here, is a returning color, and I'm going to I'm going to, well, I might want to decorate. It's a very pretty color today with that. So just, the lights look a little dark. I'm just gonna see, how does it look on your end, you guys? I've got all my lights on here. Okay, so I have here, in addition to the actual cardstock, which looks messy because I've already gotten into it. I've done this little thing before where I basically compare the colors. So those are the actual cardstock colors. So over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be showing these on a live. So I'm going to start with this one today, just one. And so I want to just show you what they look like compared. No, that's not better. Let me just turn that one up. What they look like compared to other colors in the collection. So it's kind of a pinky red is how I would describe Strawberry Slush. Very pretty color. But if you look at it like compared to real red, you can definitely see there's more pink to it. Same with Poppy Parade, which to me is a pinky red. But this is more of a pinky red, and this is more of a reddy pink, if you will. And then I thought we'll compare it to an actual pink, which is Flirty Flamingo. It actually is a nice color combination, those two colors together. And then compared to another more pinky color, you can see this is more pink and this is more red. And then I thought I'll compare it to a more purple color too, so you can see that, and that is a Berry Burst. So it's definitely more purple. So hopefully that gives you some idea of how that color looks. Now, of course, when you compare colors side by side, it actually sort of changes the color anyways. So in isolation, it might look different, or it might look different up against another color. But roughly, people want to know how close is it to real red, for example. And I would say it's not close at all. The closest color I would say here is probably Melon Mambo, but even that, it's not really close, because this is definitely more of a pink, and this has definitely got more of a red hue to it. And it also depends on what you pair it with. So today I'm actually going to pair it with Pretty in Pink. And you'll see, let me pull out the cardstock here, how that changes the look of it too. So there is Pretty in Pink with it. So you can see it definitely makes it look more pinky than if I paired it with, say, a redder color. Okay,